From a small start in the financial banking sector, this company's valuation has risen to almost 48 lakh crore, approximately 60 billion US dollars. In 1985, Uday Kotak, motivated by a desire to rethink finances, sets the groundwork for what would quickly become a transformation force in the Indian banking sector. Let's go back to 2003, a historic year when Kotak Mahindra proudly went over tradition and became an authorized bank. Kotak Mahindra stands for an indication of change among the web of administrative details that define the Indian banking in the early 2000s. Their dedication to make the client experience the top priority was a revolution rather than just a strategy. It was a promise of smooth transactions, customized care, and a personal touch at every step. Enter the world of Kotak Mahindra's marketing art, where campaigns were stories that spoke to the nation's soul rather than just advertisements. During the 25th anniversary, the Make Money Simple campaign turned into empowerment anthem, showing the financial service may be easily accessed, understood, and empowered. Looking behind the scenes shows the foundation of Kotak Mahindra's remarkable rise. Their constant commitment to maintaining the perfect asset quality generated confidence in investors and customers both. They were early adopters of digital transformation, leading the way in the development of user-friendly web and the mobile platforms that sets the standard for accessibility and comfort. In 1985, Kotak Mahindra began to turn a profit-providing financial service. They claim to have a market value of more than 4.8 lakh crore, which is around 60 billion US dollars as of March 2024. Over the last 5 years, the compound annual growth rate has exceeded 20%, demonstrating the remarkable growth. This translates into an increase in net profit and revenue year over year. For example, they recorded a net profit interest income of 81,000 crores for second quarter of financial year 2023-24, which is ending in September 2023, which was 19.2 higher than the same period that previous year. In the similar vein, the net profit for the same time period increased by 23.8% to 44,000 crores. Kotak Mahindra is adapting to the changing times by utilizing influencer partnerships, social media, and innovative content to connect with a new tech-savvy consumer. Their position as an innovator in the fintech industry is defined by the capacity for innovation, adaptation, and staying ahead of the trend. The story of Kotak Mahindra is not just one success. It's an inspiration that provides evidence for transformation potential that lies in creativity, vision, and a constant dedication to client happiness. Their story began as a challenger and ended as a champion is remembered throughout the Indian financial scene, a model of excellence. Do you know which is the biggest private bank in India? Let us know in the comment section. Also remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more engaging stories of Indian businesses.